Maybelline presents Maybe This Christmas.
Maybe this Christmas will be different. Maybe, just maybe, I can conceal who I really am. But some things are harder to cover up.
Maybe there's more to the story.
Oh, sorry.
No, I'm sorry.
Just so clumsy.
I'm actually really clumsy too.
You are?
Happened my whole life.
I'm late.
Hang on, you forgot your Maybelline Instant Eraser Concealer.
Maybe they'll fall for each other.
Hey, box guy.
You dropped this.
My hero.
Wow. Is that goji berry extract? Because you're radiant.
I feel like I owe you a drink. Do you like cocoa?
As long as it's hot.
Then come on in.
Maybe he's in danger.
Cheers.
So many marshmallows.
It's my family's recipe.
You're so perfect. There must be something you're hiding. You're not a murderer or something, are you?
Wait, there is something I need to tell you. Something even this can't conceal.
Well, I don't understand.
You have to go. You have to go now.
What?
Maybe the big reveal is next.
What's going on?
It's too late. I can't hide who I really am.
You don't have to hide from me.
It's happening.
You're beautiful. So what are the rules here?
Maybe they'll make it after all. Maybe it's Maybelline.